got the day to get ready, and there's only so much time to lose, because tonight, yeah, we're here to party. So let's think of something fun to do.